Hello everyone, this is Robomatiic. Today we are going to see about breadboard. There are three types of breadboard, namely the 800 pin breadboard, the 400 pin breadboard, and the 170 pin breadboard. The term breadboard comes from the early days of electronics when people would literally drive nails or screws into wooden boards on which they cut bread in order to connect their circuits. These breadboards are connected parallelly like horizontal and vertical connection without any solderings. These breadboards are used to work circuits in an experimental way and not in real purpose. And in real purpose, we can use PCBs rather than breadboards. In this breadboard, there are only vertical connections because it contains less number of pins. Thank you.